Little storyteller.
Lily the little girl looked out the window. Big, fat raindrops splattered against the glass. Oh no, she sighed. Her fluffy bunny, Snowdrop, sat beside her, twitching his nose. Lily wanted to play outside, but the rain made her feel sad. Her yellow dress with little blue flowers seemed to droop just like her smile. Lily's mama called from the kitchen. Look outside, sweetie. See what the rain is doing. Lily slowly went back to the window. The raindrops still looked big, but now she looked closer. In the garden, the little blue flowers on their green stems were lifting their heads. They looked like they were taking a long, happy drink. Droplets of water clung to their petals like tiny, sparkling jewels. Down by the little pond, Lily saw Mrs. Duck and her 3 fluffy yellow ducklings. The ducklings were paddling in the puddles, splashing and quacking with joy. Their little webbed feet made tiny ripples in the water. Lily watched the happy flowers drinking and the playful ducklings splashing. She giggled. The rain wasn't making everyone sad. It was helping the flowers grow and giving the ducks a fun playtime. Suddenly, Lily didn't feel so sad anymore. She felt happy for the flowers and the ducks. The rain began to slow down. Soon the sun peeked through the clouds, making the raindrops on the leaves sparkle like tiny diamonds. A beautiful rainbow arched across the sky. Lily smiled. Even though the rain had made her sad at first, she learned that the same rain could make others happy. It's important to think about how others feel, even the little flowers and fluffy ducklings.
Please subscribe. Thank you.